Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about another Excel formula which is used in calculation of bond yields. This particular formula is useful when the last coupon period is at a odd period, we can see. So let us try to work it out and understand this formula. So the syntax of this formula is ODDLYIELD, and the arguments which are used are settlement date. Settlement date is the date when the present bondholder has acquired this security, and from this date onward the present bondholder will have right on the coupon payments and the final maturity price. Maturity date is the date when this bond is finally going to mature and the investors are going to get back their money. Last interest is the last coupon payment date. Rate is the interest rate on the security. Then we can say the coupon interest rate. Then security price is the present price of the security at what rate it is trading. Redemption value is the final maturity price of the security. Then frequency is the coupon payment frequency. For annual we have to put 1, for semi-annual we have to put 2, and quarterly we have to put 4. Then basis is the day count convention. So for day count convention, if it is 30 by 360 we have to put 0, if it is actual by 365 we have to put 3, and accordingly we have to put it. Now let us try to understand it by an example. So assume I have acquired a security on 7th February 2008. This security is issued way back in time, but I have purchased it on 7th of February 2008. So from this date onward I will be entitled to receive the subsequent coupons. Then this security is going to mature finally on 15th of June 2008. And the last coupon payment, last interest payment date is 15th of October 2007. After this, there will be no subsequent coupon payment and the final maturity will be paid on 15th June 2008. Then the present coupon rate is 3.75. The present price of the bond is 99.88. Redemption value is 100. Coupon payment frequency is semi-annual, and day count convention is 30 by 360. So let us try to work out the yield. So go to function tab and insert this ODDYIELD function from this function tab and put the data. Settlement date 7th February 2008, maturity date 15 June 2008, last interest 15th October 2007, rate coupon payment rate is 3.75, price is 99.8, we are taking 99.88, and redemption value is 100. Frequency is semi-annual, day count is 30 by 360, and we will get the yield. So 4.05% is the present yield of this bond. This yield is worked out on this given date. So I hope this formula is clear to you, and keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.